guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl D, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you for subscribing and doing all that good stuff. So you guys, today is Vlogmas day 4. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's 4 already. It's going by fast, you guys. So what we're doing today, I'm going to be going bowling with my sisters and a few friends, and we want to take you guys along with us while we go bowling. I haven't been bowling in a while. It's probably been, I don't know, about a month or so, I should say. So I guess that's not a long time, but we like to do bowling. We like to do that every so often and just have fun and enjoy, you know, a good time with the adults. So tonight's going to be an adult night. Just have some fun and, you know, relax and chill. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I will get back with you when we get there. See you in a little bit.
Thank you.
Damn, never got.
Do it again.
No more time.
Score right now is 24. So 20, 36, 50, 24. I'm in third place, but you know, it is what it is.
I'm first.
It's okay. I'm gonna get back there. Right. You know, you gotta speak into existence. So that was the end of my Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas today for Vlogmas 4, or day 4. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We had a good time. I was still in third place. I probably was like 4 numbers off where I could have gotten up there, but hey, it is what it is. So I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys turn on your post notifications and make sure you subscribe and don't forget to do all that good stuff. And I will get back with you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas 5. Okay, see y'all later. Peace.